Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the application Microsoft Word 2016 as of the recording of this video. It is the most recent version of Microsoft Word inside of the Microsoft Office 365 suite. In fact, if you were to look at other applications in the suite, you realize that it's no accident that many of the same menus and features in those menus are the same. And that's especially evident when you look at Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint. However, Microsoft Word is for the creation of documents, and we'll be looking at each of the menus in this course and what they help you to do to contribute toward creating documents. Now, if you are a regular user of Microsoft Word, you're probably using many of the features already available in the Home menu. However, with each successive move to the right from the Insert menu to the Design menu, to the Layout menu, to the References menu, and on through to the end, it's quite possible that you don't use many of the features in these menus. In fact, they will give you latitude to create more complex documents. And so by the time you complete the course, not only will you be able to use the Home menu more effectively, but you'll be able to use other items in the other menus to help you to create your documents. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.